everyone, welcome to RevvBuzz. Maruti Suzuki Baleno is the most popular vehicle in the premium hatchback segment in India. It was long due for an update, and here we have the latest iteration of the Maruti Suzuki Baleno. The exteriors are refreshed thoroughly with a new face featuring the redesigned headlamps. They look quite nice with the dark effect, and as always, Maruti Suzuki offers brilliant headlights in terms of illumination. This one gets full LED setup. The side profile is similar to the outgoing model. There's a sharper shoulder line and the alloy designs are new.
Tire size on the new Baleno is 195/55 R16.
The rear is beautifully done as well. The taillights get a new C-shaped design and they're sort of bulging out of the body, giving the car a wider look.
Interiors of the Maruti Baleno now look and feel very upmarket. The redesigned dashboard with the floating 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The graphics are very crisp and clear and is fluid to use. Baleno gets a 360-degree camera as well, which is very useful in tight spaces. I feel almost all the cars should have it. Dashboard gets black on the top with a subtle touch of silver and has navy blue on the lower portions. The materials feel good and much improved than before. AC controls get a nice toggling switch which offers great feel while operating it. This steering wheel is seen in other Maruti cars as well, but it does feel good to hold.
The new age Baleno is equipped with a heads-up display, which is the first in segment feature. It allows the driver to drive without taking eyes off the road by displaying critical information such as speed, RPM, fuel economy, and other notifications. Check this out. The seats of the new Baleno are very comfortable and soft, I would say. Also, the legroom and headroom are really good.
There are AC vents along with a USB-A and USB-C to fuel things up on the go. Let's now hit the driving seat to see how the new Baleno feels like. The Baleno is now powered by a brand new K12N engine. You no longer get the smart hybrid option which was available earlier. The motor is an all-new unit and like every other K-series engine, it retains its strength very well.
The one thing that I like about Maruti Suzuki India Limited are their petrol engines. They're very smooth and refined and love to be revved. The suspension damping has improved and they feel much better than before.
Maruti has thankfully worked on the return to center ability of the new Baleno. Though the steering is still vague and lifeless, but it's very easy to maneuver in the city. The new Baleno brings with it some class-leading features, while also retaining its characteristics of fuel efficiency and a lovely petrol engine. Maruti has also worked on the criticisms, and this Baleno feels better built than the outgoing one. Baleno can serve as good as a city car due to its easy-to-drive nature, and with the slight price increase, you're getting so much more. And it's a car we would surely tell you to check out if you're looking to make a purchase in the premium hatchback segment.